We have some breaking inputs lined up. We're shifting focus to that. And this is about the NEET re-examination. Preparation is under review. The Education Minister has chaired a key meeting in which Dharmendra Pradhan took stock of the NEET readiness. Preparation underway for the NEET re-examination, which is going to take place on the 21st of June. The Education Minister has emphasized that exam integrity should be maintained. He's called for transparency and efficiency. Let's go across to Kritika, who's getting us more details. Kritika, there is the issue of trust now. Above everything, there's pressure to ensure that everything happens smoothly without any inconvenience caused to the students. So we're given to understand that the Education Minister held a key meeting. He emphasized that the integrity of the exam should be maintained.
Well, absolutely. He's also asked all officials to remain at their most vigilant level possible. They have to also, in fact, there are going to be designated officials who will be traveling to different states in order to coordinate activities there and reporting the same back to the headquarters here of the NTA in Delhi. So that will be headed by the NTA DG Abhishek Singh. What we're also understanding is that even Higher Education Secretary as well as School Education Secretary were also present. So this was quite a high-level review meet that is currently taking place at the Education Ministry. What the Minister has also in fact emphasized is to ensure that the manner of all logistics is in fact manned and surveilled at every given point as well. So there has to be regular updates from their end to the NTA Command Center. Now remember, a lot of these steps were also taken last time around as well. Despite that, the leak had already occurred. What we're understanding currently is that of course 15 minutes of extra time has already been allotted. Letters have been written and multiple states will also be offering free travel to the students as well. In Delhi, the government has opened up, in fact, cooling stations for not just the convenience of the students, but also parents who will be staying back for the duration.
Kritika, stay on with us because we have some more breaking inputs on this issue, and I'll come to you for details on that. We're given to understand that a message has now been issued by NTA to the aspirants, to the students who are going to appear for NEET re-examination, urging the students to not pay any attention to rumors. NTA has ruled out NEET postponement. NTA says rely only on official updates and is assuring students that the exams will take place in a fair and secure manner. Kritika continues to be with us on the broadcast. So, given the fact, like I said, that there's, trust issues at the moment and that the NEET paper leak happened the last time around, NTA is urging students to not pay attention to any rumors. There no postponement is happening. The exams will take place, and NTA at its level trying to assure that everything will happen in a transparent and fair manner.
Well, absolutely. Remember that NTA is also under immense pressure since the examination was cancelled due to what they have called compromising of the question paper and what is largely regarded as the leak as well. This, of course, has put students into a lot of anxiousness. There was an advocate as well who had taken to court with about 1,400 student representatives asking for a postponement of the NEET exam, which is currently scheduled for Sunday. So now this message is also coming after such attempts are also being made by a few student groups. What the NTA has stated is that there is going to be no rescheduling of the exam. The exam will take place at its designated time, which will start at 2 and at 5:15. The extra 15 minutes being also incorporated a long-standing demand, which is also finally being heeded to. Now remember, NTA has also come under flag for issues regarding the admit card. Earlier, that was also not being downloaded very easily by the students because they had to also enter their banking details. As of yesterday, they had opened up another portal wherein the admit cards could be downloaded without the compulsory link of verifying any sort of banking details as well. So the entire process, as far as the Ministry of Education or the NTA is concerned, they're trying to make it as easier and as convenient for the students to in fact manage it. However, there are glitches that keep appearing in each and every checkpoint as well. Nonetheless, the focus of the Education Ministry currently is to ensure a foolproof, safe and secure examination environment as well, which is why the Army, the IAF has also in fact been deployed to carry forward the transportation of the question papers as well as the security measures as well. We'll also be in fact
measures are being taken to restore faith of the students, of the aspirants who will appear for NEET re-examination. Kritika, thank you for getting us the details.